How to cancel hotel on Expedia. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can cancel your hotel booking on Expedia. In order to cancel your hotel booking on Expedia, first of all, we'll need to log in into your Expedia account. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and this is basically how the interface is going to look like. So right on this page, what you need to do is, in order to find your reservation, go to trips. So as soon as you click on trips, you'll be able to find all of your reservation booked hotel and all of your flight, all that. So what you need to do is basically you'll need to click on find your booking, and while you're booking flight or maybe hotel or making reservation anywhere, you'll be provided with an itinerary number. So basically you'll have to enter in the itinerary number according to the reservation that you made. As soon as you enter in the itinerary number, click on the continue button, and that's going to take you to the other page where you'll be able to see the detail of your booking. So basically you'll need to click on the cancel button if that is available. Then tap on the cancel button, and as soon as you've done that, you'll be able to cancel your hotel reservation. So in this way you can cancel your hotel reservation or any other reservation on Expedia. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.